Welcome back here in the another format. This is not a 2020 game this time from the Hatlangu Premier League, and this time it's a T10 game. 10-10 cricket here. Some big stars are playing in this match. Nisar Borsu, Ranji Trophy player, that is Ishtiaq Rabi, hailing from district Bandipora. Ball goes in. This time it's on the pairs. Big appeal. Looks a close call, but it was missing the leg stumps, and umpire says it's a not out. One run has been taken. Janawara chose, won the toss, decided to bat first here. And what a crowd. Jam-packed stadium. There isn't any place in the ground which is vacant. Crowd is thronging in the ground here. Complete entertainment. You can't have better T10 games than this one. Bowler goes right arm over the stumps. Oh, this time beautifully ball into the batsman. I think out of 5 deliveries he has beaten 4 times both the batsmen. 2 batsmen already in the middle here. Bowler is starting the operation from the Waller Warriors. They lost the toss and have been asked to bowl first. Nisar Borsu is staying in the first slip. We have a backward point. A gully has been placed. Third man comes into the action. This time nicely guides it and finds the fielder at the short cover. There isn't any iota of chance. 1 over gone. 2 on the board without any loss here. A referral system in terms of a run out is being introduced for the first time in the valley. That is absolutely a great innovation to have here. Hatlangu Premier League, which is being played just around the one of the most and one of the greatest ever shrines in the valley, just in front of the Baba Shivaruddin Rahmatullah Allah. This ground is located in Watla Valley, which absolutely is one of the beautiful places of district Baramulla. Credit and applaud goes to the management of this Hatlangu, and we are highly thankful to Khan International Sports. That is our sponsor, brand sponsor of Kashmir Sports Watch, and we are also thankful to Gani Auto Wheels Highgam, Bulgam Junction there. Thank you so much. Bowler's name, please. Bowler's name. Zadas has been brought into the attack. That is Zahur Sofi. Goes right arm over the stumps. He's having a warm up there to have a check over his run up as well. All shaped crowd here. All shaped ground. Jam packed. I think there isn't any technology in the ground so that we can count the fans and lovers of cricket. Zahur Sofi for the first time in his over and second over of the game goes in. This was into the batsman. Batsman just nudges it gently towards the short mid-wicket region. Nisar Borsu was there. Batsmen have all the time between the wickets to have a run on the boot here. Score 3. Without any loss, and over number second is being operated by Zahur Sofi here. Have a look on the fielding. We have 2 slips in place now. A backward point, Sudradish point, short cover. This is the offside fielding. Goes in. This time punches it and shy. That could be a soft dismissal in terms of a run out. Misunderstanding was not only between the wickets, but there was a miscommunication between the fielders and especially between the man who was at the short cover and the wicketkeeper staying behind. And if you want to win the shortest format of game of cricket, then fielding needs to be tight. Sofi goes to the top of his bowling mark. Comes, and in fact he goes from the combox side end. Right arm over the stumps. Comes down the track and smashes it. But finds the fielder at the extra cover. 1 run results. Changes the hands. Score 4. Without any loss. And this is absolutely a cliffhanger contest. You can also witness on the camera in front of the standing umpire there. We have also the camera which is focusing on the LED there. This time batsman wants to lift it over the mid off. Oh God, that it did not hit the camera there. Would have been a damage. But at the end, one run has been resulted. 5 on the board. Over number 3 is in progress. अंपायर के सामने जो है, जो हमारा एलईडी स्क्रीन लगाया गया है वहाँ बाउंड्री से बाहर, उसके लिए जो कैमरा है, जिस तरह सीसीटीवी के लिए कैमरा होते हैं, उसी तरह ये लोकेट करता है जब हमें रेफरल देना पड़ता है रन आउट्स के लिए. मीनवाइल बॉलर गोज इन, राइट आर्म ओवर द स्टंप्स. Batsman edged and flying through the first and the wicket keeper. So slips and bowls racing to the third man, fans for 4. Boundary comes here, big untowardness for the team. Waller Warriors here, WW. Maybe they will be thinking about now another slip that should be very close to the wicket keeper. There is some sort of bounce on this surface. Zohar Sofi, ill-fated bowler this time that he could not get a wicket. Goes in once again from the combox side and right arm out the stumps. Batsman comes down the track and ball is just wrapping on his pads. Ball goes towards the shot. Skylark fans have signals, leg by signal by the umpire. End of another good over here. 3 overs gone. 11 on the board without any loss. Dear viewers on Kashmir Sports Watch, I would like to introduce this game. Actually, we are not in a game of 2020 cricket, but this is a 10 overs of innings. 10 or 10 game. And some phenomenal things are being applied in this Hatlangu Premier League, which are being applied in the one of the world's most entertaining cricket platform, that is IPL, Indian Premier League. Some musical sounds are being displayed here. Meanwhile, bowler for the first time in this over. It's up in there. Wicket keeper or a second sim. Nisar Borsu is underneath it. He can't miss. He's having experience in a Shahid Afridi style. With jersey number 10, gets a first wicket. First wicket gone for Janwara Toes and this Waller Warriors. They are the arch rivals on the field here. You can have a watch and you can have a look over the field boundaries here while all the spectators of cricket are watching the match. And doesn't matter any age here, because all the even elderly people have reported the ground who are absolutely in a disciplined fashion watching the match of 10 or 10 game here. Janwara Toes won the toss, decided to bat first. A new batsman walks towards the middle. You are watching the match on Kashmir Sports Watch. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. And believe me once again that this is going to be the blockbuster matches of cricket once again. White ball cricket, but in a different format, that is T10 game. I am really thankful to the page admin, Mr. Mohsin. He is also today for the first time watching match around me. And we have got the technical head of Kashmir Sports Watch, Mr. Abdul Rakib. He was standing like a policeman here throughout. He is every time best in the business. Bowler goes and new batsman will face him. This time batsman just wants to lift it over. It has taken inside edge. Ball is racing through the deep Skylark fans for a 4. Umpire in a style displays the show. His boundary on the board. 15 comes without any loss. यहाँ कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है कि आप डोल सुनेंगे, आप कमेंट्री सुनोगे या आप क्या सुनोगे, लेकिन मैं आपको कह रहा हूं कि आप सिर्फ कमेंट्री मत सुनो बल्कि मैच देखो. Goes in. Comes down the track, short pressing delivery, beats the batsman. This time batsman could not read the line of the ball. What a delivery, and this commentary is brought to you in association with Gunny Auto Wheels, that is situated and located on the right side when you go to the Srinagar to Baramulla at the Highgam Bulgam junction. And we have Khan International Sports giving the best brands of bats. We are absolutely thankful to both the sponsors. who are presenting you another match of this Hatalangu Premier League. This time, smacks it all the way, catches the goal, and that's taken. Afridi Style gets another wicket here. Batsman wants to smash it over the mid-off. There was fielder in the business, takes a catch, doesn't miss, second gone. Now another jolt has been given to the Janawara Tours here, who won the toss, and so far the decision looks not in their favor. It looks in the favor of Vellore Warriors. Vellore, talking about this lake, this is Asia's one of the fresh water lake, one of the largest I can say. A beautiful place. On the banks of the Vellore we have a shrine, that is Baba Shukuruddin Rahmatullah Alah. So a big saint, a great saint of the valley. So this is really one of the beautiful tourist places across the valley, where huge number of tourists visitors the shrine, as well as the Asia's largest freshwater lake, that is Vellore, which belongs to the district Bandipora. And in fact the shrine which divides and which is the demarcation for district Bandipora and district Baramulla, which before I think 5 or 6 decades before were the same districts. It was Baramulla district. Janawara Tours 2 batsmen Azhar and Ibrahim are out. Tariq and Shabir are at the crease now. Tariq with jersey number 2 is on strike now, and Shabir is at the non-striker stand with jersey number 8. Bowler's name please. Sheikh Junaid goes here. He has got a couple of wickets. Goes in. Right arm, over the stumps. Oh, what a ball. It was really a good delivery this time. It looks like there was some reverse swing for the bowler in this time. Fantastic bowling, and D to the batsman. He blocks. He vests his respect to the bowler. No run result. Score is staying on. Absolutely. There is a complete atmosphere of IPL. It absolutely generates ecstasy and a great euphoria and excitement in the ground, which is absolutely and unequivocally, this is one of the best leagues I can say. Goes in. Beautifully ball into the batsman there. It was onto the pads around the middle and leg stump. End of another over. 4 overs gone. It is 15 on the board for the loss of 2 wickets. रकीब, क्या लग रहा था? हम बोल रहे थे SNW, WPL, बुरजाहमा, होकर सर, सब जगहों पे मुझे लगता है हमने कमेंट्री किया या सब जगहों पर मैचेस भी देखे हैं. क्या लग रहा है आपको यहाँ आके?
मेरे ख्याल से आज सारे रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दिए हैं हतलंगू के इस जैम पैकेट स्टेडियम में. बिल्कुल. और जो चीज़ें हम बार बार ये कह रहे हैं कि नॉर्थ कश्मीर में कुछ जगह ऐसी है जो अपने आप को फॉरवर्ड बोलते हैं क्रिकेट में, जैसे हम भी उसमें हैं. जैसे अंदरगाम की लीग है, पलालन की लीग है, बहुत सारे क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट्स है वैली के. तो मुझे लगता है कि जो यहाँ का एटमॉस्फेयर है वो हमारे से काफ़ी डिफरेंट है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर लोग उस तरह मैच देखने के लिए आते हैं जिस तरह SNW में लोग फुटबॉल मैच देखने के लिए आते हैं. बिल्कुल. आज हमने देखा कि यहाँ की मैनेजमेंट कितनी अच्छी है, यहाँ पे इन्होंने कैसे मैनेज किया है. और ये सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि ये इन्होंने कैसे मैनेज किया है कि 2 फाइनल एक ही दिन में इन्होंने कैसे मैनेज किए. हेड्स ऑफ टू दीज पीपल. तो आपने देखा कि सुबह ग्रैंड फिनाले था T20 का, और अब इस वक्त T10 का ग्रैंड फिनाले चल रहा है. ये कोई मामूली सी बात नहीं होती है इनको मैनेज करना, क्योंकि बीइंग एन ऑर्गेनाइज़र मैं ऐसे बोल सकता हूँ कि ये बहुत बड़ी बात है, इन्होंने करके दिखाया है.
Zohur Sofi back into the business, comes in, balls. It's up in there. Let's wait. It's going to be a good catch. Yes, he has taken it. What a delivery. It was bit short. Pressure comes directly on the team of Janawara Tours here. Decided to bat first after winning the toss, their captain. Oh God. Cricket is game of sometimes up, sometimes down. And Rakib, this is not downtown. This is HPL. I think really one of the fantastic leagues that I have ever seen from the valley.
बिल्कुल. मैंने भी इतना क्राउड आज तक कभी कहीं भी जगह किसी भी जगह नहीं देखा है. पहली बार देखा है इतना. और T10 का फाइनल चल रहा है और कुछ दिग्गज खेल रहे हैं इस टूर्नामेंट, इस फाइनल में इस वक्त। जैसे हम देख रहे हैं कि बांडीपोरा की शान
रकीब, आपको रोकना मैं चाहूंगा। माह रमजान की याद मुझे यहाँ पर आ रही है। डोल वाले आते थे हमें सहरी के टाइम और हमें उठाते थे, उस चीज़ की मुझे याद आ रही है। क्योंकि जो दो डोल वाले हैं ना, हमें वो सीधे सीधे ग्राउंड के बाउंड्रीज के आसपास जाते हैं और डोल बजाते हैं। ये एटमॉस्फेयर भी पहली बार देखा।
बिल्कुल, ये भी हमने पहली बार देखा। ऐसा हमने ना SNW में देखा ना कहीं और देखा। ये जो डोल वाले चल रहे हैं, 2-3 साइड से डोल इस वक्त बज रहे हैं। इट लुक्स लाइक IPL।
And once again, one bounce into the fans for 4. The man at the first slip can only see how the ball will sail into the crowd. Although it was looking like that, the ball has taken the pace off and raced to the fans for 4. It was a deliberate attempt, but not a good shot. Result was better. And Zohar Sofi is going to the top of his bowling mark. It's 21 already on the board. 3 wickets down. We are in over number 5. Half of the innings is almost at the brim now. Some sort of partnership is needed here by the team of Janwara. And you don't have so much time here. Comes in. It's once again, swing is the bat, swings it very hard. Ball is racing down the square leg. There was protection in the deep and 1 run result is over to Rakib. Rakib, and this is really for the first time that any sports page in Jammu and Kashmir is giving you the game of T10 game, which you have never seen before, and the crowd which is anticipating very positively, that too was lacking around.
जी बिल्कुल, 30 ओवर्स का हमने देखा था। T20 का तो हम रोज़ करते हैं, कास्को का भी हमने देखा था, लेकिन आज T10 का जो लेदर